Today I'm gonna be reacting to this Thanksgiving dinner, the legendary Thanksgiving dinner by his mom. So let's give it a look.
Dang, Mama, you starting already?
Yes, I am. Can you finish this while I get the ham ready real quick?
I mean, it's ham.
Josh, we ain't got time for that today.
In this economy, I can't even. I mean, oh, she got the block government. She like.
Josh, can you go ahead and take the ham out so I can put it back on?
I'm not even mad at her, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, stop. The grandma is like, hey y'all. love it.
Hey, Josh.
I don't know what is that?
Yeah, I could take that.
Is that like an appetizer or something she came up with? Like I said, in this day and age, in this economy, look, with inflation, how did y'all Thanksgiving go? Cause shit, I would have just.
Thank you.
And you grab, yeah, ain't nobody gonna leave hungry. Look, got hot dogs, like, yeah, I'm with it. I'm with it. I don't see nothing wrong with it. Ain't nobody gonna starve. You grab your little hot dog, you grab you a little, whatever that little tortilla appetizer she made, and it's enough to be grateful for. There's a lot of homeless people and a lot of things like that, and, you're lucky if you have something to eat. Okay? So I fucks with shit. Happy holidays.